To charge other devices by using your Samsung S25, there's actually two ways. The first one, you can simply connect cable, double USB-C cable into your device. So in my case, Bluetooth headphones. And as you can see right now, my indicator lights up. It means that my S25 start charging this device. But also there is, the reverse wireless charging on the S25. So you have to go into battery, and then you will have to navigate into wireless power sharing and simply turn it on. And you have to also be sure that you have at least 30% of the battery. And now you will have to put your device on the back of your S25, and the indicator will also light up if actually support wireless charging. So in this case, this device, my earbuds, doesn't actually support wireless charging. Or maybe it does. Okay, that's actually a big surprise. I thought that it's actually not supported with the wireless charging, but it does. So as you can see, if it is not working, like in my case, you can just try to put it a little bit higher, and then it will start charging wireless.